Para sa'yo, Kisses, at 17, I'm right?
Yeah,
You're
I am 17.
Ano yung konsepto mo ng kagandahan? What is beauty for you?
Beauty is someone who knows that she is imperfect.
Lovely.
I think that's
Ulitin nga natin yon. Beauty is someone who knows that she is imperfect.
yeah.
Sana may oras pa tayong pag-usapan yan. Napakagandang concept yan. Beauty is knowing that you're not perfect. Di ba? Galing niya, no? At 17. Ang galing nung bata. Alam mo, somehow, in my mind, she makes me proud. There's so much hope on young people today. Kanina yung sinasabi niya na dapat we should have a relationship with our parents. Yang linya lang yan. I mean, you know, I was taken by this girl. Yes, we should have relationship. Yung mga bagets lalo na. This girl, without saying it, kasi kanina sabi, how badly do you want to win? You know, she just said, I will move with the flow. Diba? And then God will take care of everything. So, but I will not forget the line. Beauty is knowing that you are not perfect. Salamat, Kisses.
Sa totoo po talaga, hindi naman talaga ako beauty queen sa labas ng bahay. Kasi jologs pa ako. Mahirap po kasi kuya, mag-pretend na perfect ka lagi.
Bakit ganun?
It's like I always need to look great, speak well, be perfect for other people kasi that's what people expect me to be. Gusto ko lang na ako, nakaisa-isang anak nila, maging someone naman na pwede nilang ipagmalaki.
Kaya mo yan, Kisses. It's never too late to show who you are.
And I will try my best na buksan po ulit yung heart ko for other people.
That's one of the first steps na kailangan para maipakilala mo ng tama, ng totoo ang sarili mo. At doon, makikita nila ang tunay na kagandahan ni Kisses sa loob at sa labas.